what are some of the things that you will get? And I'm just going to use an example that Glenn and I are familiar with. And I'm going to talk about what's called the intelligence cycle. And so you start with data up here, and I want you to think of a big region of data. And data in context becomes information. And you get that information because of structuring. You have a bunch of letters, they become words. You have a bunch of words, they become sentences. So you take all that data, and where AI is super valuable is taking all that data and compressing it into information. And then you decide what information is valuable, that becomes knowledge. And then you decide what knowledge allows me to make a decision, that becomes intelligence. And then if there's a specific action you can take based on that intelligence, then you have this little bitty amount of what's known as actionable intelligence.